Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 97 of Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series Batman from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab one of these and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop, and you too can be building this iconic car. Let's have a look at this week's magazine. Got the TV show there, The Wail of the Siren. Great Batman comics, Sleigh Ride there from the Detective Series comics. Batman 15 Part 2, End Game it says there. Some more artwork there from the comic. Loads of information and stuff in these magazines, so give them a read, folks. Our car parts today, we got the left door upper and lower hinges, as well as the fitting screws to assemble the hinges to the door like so. And that's what we're going to end up with, the outer skin of a door, folks, okay? So we'll push the magazine to one side and we'll start a bit of assembly for you, folks. So let's grab our screws. Get a little bit of oil on the go. Like that. Bring our door into play. Look at that, folks. Doesn't that look sexy? Bat logo on there. Nice finish. I like that, and all the different contours and shapes on there. So let's just look at the hinges, make sure that they're correct, as they should be. And we got upper and lower according to that. Let's just check, make sure that we're doing them correctly. That one, and that's that one, according to that. Yep. So we want 97B, which is that one. So let's locate you just over there, like so. And then line the screw up. Grab a bit of oil on there and screw that fully home like that. That's going nowhere, and then this one is going that way. So basically what you've got your little rebates facing up there, and on this one down. Okay, grab our other screw. Grab a little bit of oil, ink, and then do the same with this one. Nice simple issue this. And we'll screw that fully home. Just like so. And that gives us that. Okay, so that's that issue done. Okay. So don't forget, folks, if you want to grab one of these and build along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. Pop. And you too can have this iconic Partwork on your bench. Also, to help me out, you can give little Festa a click in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. I'll be immensely grateful. Ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.